Hey everybody, welcome to Alderson Lexus shop. My name is Matt. I'm the diagnostic specialist here. Been with Lexus for 10 years now. Wanted to talk to you a minute about tire maintenance and the importance of balancing and rotating and aligning your vehicle. Right here is a tire that you can see has some pretty bad wear. It's about 10-30 seconds on the top, but right here it's got no tread and actually has cords showing. That is due to a camber issue on your vehicle. Industry standard recommends every 15,000 miles to have your alignment performed and every 5,000 miles for a balance. So come on into Alderson and we will get you fixed up, tires rotated, maintained, and balanced and aligned. Thank you.
My name is Troy Tucker, and I'm the General Manager of the Alderson Auto Group in downtown Lubbock. Purchase or lease your next vehicle from us, and rest assured, we'll not only take care of you during the sale, but through the entire ownership experience. We are the premier luxury car dealership group in West Texas. I encourage you to buy local, as we have a great selection of vehicles for BMW, Lexus, Cadillac, and Mercedes-Benz. And if we don't have it for you, we will definitely go find it for you. Generations deep in luxury since 1949, Alderson family of dealerships.